Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to JB's Classic Gaming. Good to have you today. We're gonna play a Nintendo Classic, Jordan versus Bird. One of my two of my favorite players back in the day, Bird and Jordan. Really great players. We're gonna play a game to 15. Let's do that. I'm gonna be Bird. I'm gonna try to hit some threes. You know what I mean? Jordan was so great back in the day, man. Let's see what we can do here. See if we. All right, here we go. Jordan's driving. This game's boy. Back then, these games, the mechanics of it. All right, let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna try to hit a three in the corner. Oh, throw a brick. Yeah, it was a fun game back in the day. I was always Jordan. My brother was always Jordan. I was always Bird when we played. Had a great time. Look, he stole. He's on fire. Jordan's already starting. Man, he's getting the rebounds too. Bird's too slow for him. All right, let's go. See if I can hit one from downtown. Oh, what? Oh, I gotta let go quicker. That's right. Oh, I got it back. All right, let's go. What's going on here? I think it's one of the. Look at Jordan from downtown. Alright. Man, the rebound king. Alright. Oh. Man, I missed everything. Look like it's 4-0. I gotta get back and swing of it. Now I don't get that. I don't know. But anyways, here we go. Jordan's on fire, man. I gotta hit something from downtown. Oh. Look at Jordan. Give me that ball. Smoke. Man, 6-0. I need to get something on the board, man. Alright, we got one. Okay. I can live with that. Let's go. Trying to box him out. Jordan with the layup. I don't know if he can slam on here or not. Maybe. I don't remember. Come on, y'all. Let me throw a three up. He's going downtown, son. 9-1. He's on fire. Downtown. Boom. Finally got two. I think the count was 2 on here. Can't stop him. Jordan's a bad man back in the day. Traveling again, okay. That's stupid. Alright, yeah. Let's go. Fast, Jordan's fast. Man, he's killing me. Man, he can't hit the broadside of a barn today. How do you... Oh, I'm sure you guys played this game. Let me know in the comments. Sure, y'all guys probably good at it. I used to be. Downtown. Oh. Let's go, Jordan. He's going to take me to the hoop. 13-3. I got to get going. Man. He's supposed to be the 3-man too, boy. Is that going in? I thought we had a glitch going on. Alright, he's about to win right here. Do it for him. Boom. He took me to the hoop. Alright, let's try it again. Let's do 15. Let's do the same. I gotta get better at this. Alright, let's rock it. How in the world, man? I gotta get this thing down pat. Oh, I've got one. Alright, 1-1. Okay. Fine. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. 2-1. I'm breaking it to the basket. I don't get that. I'm letting go. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Guess you just throw it one-handers, I guess. Boom! Finally hit one. Alright, let's go. Come here to me. Alright. Traveling again, I don't know. You got a lot of one-handers on here, you know. I don't know. I don't want to let go too soon. There you go. Get in. Get that ball, boy. Man, I thought I had it. 63. Let's go. Broke away on that one. All right. 4 to 6. Okay. Let's go with it. Let's go with it. I thought I had the rebound. Blocking. Okay. I must have got 7 to 4. All right. 2. Oh yeah. 6 to 7. Okay. All right. I don't know if you can actually block nobody on here. I don't know. From downtown. Oh. Rammed it out. Go get it. This thing hit it again. No, of course it's traveling. Of course. Does Jordan got green hair on here, or is that just me? Okay. I'm hit it from way downtown. Bang! Woo! 8 to 9. Yeah, me and my friends used to play this quite a bit. Had a great time playing it too. I'm gonna see if I can hit it again. Nah, they ain't gonna let me. Alright. Get them legs you're going, boy. 11 to 8. See if I can drive a little. Oh, he stole it, that dog. He's cooking. He's cooking. Let it go, boss. Let it go. 13 to 8. Take him out a little bit. There we go. See if I can drive in on him. No, I'm traveling again. Man, what gives here, folks? All right, 9 to 14. Gotta make a comeback. Oh, he cooked me again. Well, that gum. That's alright. I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. Playing little Jordan versus Bird Nintendo. Y'all like the video, like and subscribe. Love to have you. Really would. Enjoy doing these videos, and I'll bring you more content coming of Classic Gaming's. Everybody have a great day. And hit that subscribe button. This is JB Classic Gaming.